Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add 3D image flip effect into your Elementor page. You can see I have added these three images, and when you hover over it, it was flipped and another image was appeared. To add this effect you have to install Elementor Pro because Elementor flip widget wouldn't work in free, and in this tutorial I am not using any CSS class or any third-party plugin. So let's go to your editor and where I will show you how to create it. So here is my Elementor editor. First of all, I will create a section. So I will click on this plus button and add a 3-column section. Now in these settings, I will change its height to fit to screen. Now I will go to style and I will add background. So I will add gradient background. For the first color, I will choose white, and for the second color, I will choose this one. Now location, for the first one I will add 50%, and for the second color I will add 43, so it will appear like that. Now I will go to my widgets, and in the centered column I will add flip box widget. Search for flip box. Here is the Elementor flip box widget. Drag it into middle column. Now here you have your flip box. You can see icon, heading and the content under it. You have different options. Here is your front view, back view, and here is the settings of this flip box. So first of all I will open front view and I will delete this icon. I will also delete the title and description. Now after deleting it, I will go to settings and I will change its height to 400 pixels and border radius I will add 20. Now I will go back to front and I will go to background. Now I will click on this classic and add an image. Select an image from your media library. I will select this one and click on insert media. Now I will change its position to center and size I will make it cover. Now it was covered the whole section. Now I will collapse the fronts and go to back. Now I will also delete its content, and here also I will delete its button text. Go to background, classic, and add another image. Now I will add this image and click on insert media. Now I will also change this image settings. I will make it centered and cover. Now collapse this back side and hover over. You can see it was appear like that. Now I will go to settings. To have this flip effect, you can change it to slide, so it will appear like that. Also you can make it push. You can add zoom in, zoom out effect like that, and you have also fade effect. But I will use flip here. Flip direction I will make it to the right, so it will appear like that. Also I will enable 3D depth. Now I will go to advanced, and here I will unlink this padding section and I will add 5% on left and right, so it will appear like that. Now I have created this section. Now I will duplicate it. So to duplicate it, I will duplicate this entire column 2 times and delete these empty columns. Now I will check its responsiveness. To check responsiveness, I will click on this responsive mode and I will check on it mobile, so it will appear like that on mobile devices. So I will enable this desktop and I will change this content. So I will click on this second column and I will go to second widget, and here I will change its background image. I'll select this image, click on insert media, and now I will go to background and I will choose another image. I'll select this one and click on insert. Now close the back settings and it will appear like that. Now I will go to last one, background, front background, and I will change its image. I'll select this one and click on insert media. Now I will go to background and change its image. I will select this one and click on insert media. Now everything is ready. Don't forget to update the page. After updating, I will click on this I button to preview the changes. So here is your page. Hover over first image, second image, and here is third image. You can see everything is working fine. That's how you can add 3D image flip into your Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and also share with others. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.